Hi, I'm Olivier Ponti, VP at Forward Keys, the travel analytics company. We're delighted to give you the opportunity to use one of our tools, Capacity, during the free workshops we will give at the upcoming ECM conference in Graz on March 13 at 11 a.m. and 11:45. The theme this year is all about learning. So learn more about how you can maximize marketing to your city, looking at the most up-to-date data for your own destination as well as your competitors. We can guarantee that by the end of the workshop, you'll be more knowledgeable about your destination and see how the fast-changing environment, like coronavirus, can impact traveler numbers.
Would you like to look into the future? Welcome to Capacity. Capacity provides details that range from regional, national, city, to even airports. The service provides an accurate, real-time vision of the situation of the seat capacity to a destination and competing destinations. This is an excellent proxy to measure the flow of visitors.
Predicting travelers' impact is what we do. Let our team show you how to use Capacity. See you at our workshops on Friday, March 13.